Greg Morris. I'm the Chief Technical Analyst and the Chairman of the Investment Committee at Stadion Money Management. We've been managing money using tactical management or technical analysis, if you will, trend followers for almost 20 years. By losing money. I think in '72 is when I bought a couple of stocks, had $3,000, and I bought them because the earnings were good. They paid a little dividend. They just made you lick your lips. They sounded so good, you know. And the last 2 months of '72, they shot straight up. I thought I was a genius. And then at the end of '74, after they were down about 85% each, I had no stops. I had no money management skills. I had no idea of what to do about the downside. I just know that during those 2 years, '73 and '74, the valuations got better and better. And I realized that there had to be a better approach. And so, being an engineer, that's what drove me to technical analysis. I accepted the mathematical approach to it more than the guessing about the future approach. Steve Akalis and I swapped programs back in, I think, '83, so 27 years. We chose it because there weren't many out there, but I still use it today, and I've used it all along. In fact, MetaStock, we use that at Stadion to manage almost $7 billion using a trend-following technical model. MetaStock is kind of like Excel. I ask people, they say, oh, there's so many features in there. I said, well, you don't use all the features in Excel, do you? And they say, well, no. And I said, well, you don't have to use all the features in MetaStock. Use what you want, play with the rest. And so it's simple to use. It's a good charting package. The formula language is easy. It's a modified algebra, if you will. So most people have the ability to build their own formulas. And you go to these other products, you have to actually know Pascal and other programming languages, or code, if you will, before you can write code, write your own formulas. So I think that right there makes MetaStock more popular for the masses because it's much easier to use. Well, the formula language, because I can whip something out fairly quick in it and visually see it. I like that. I like the ability to color code price charts with experts based on certain conditions, so that you're not really looking at an indicator, you're just changing the color of the line for the prices. I really like that feature. And then the Explorer, like if you're doing candle pattern analysis, you can narrow it down, and you can take your, say you have S&P 500 database, you can narrow it down to all the stocks that have had a recent bullish or bearish candle pattern. So the Explorer is very nice. For all those reasons.